If you like Tesla videos, subscribe to the channel here so you don't miss any news. Sodium-ion batteries have the potential to transform the electric car market in 2024, presenting an exciting opportunity, especially for companies like Tesla. If Tesla decides to implement this technology, we could see major changes in their vehicles, particularly in more affordable models such as the highly anticipated Model 2. Why might Tesla consider sodium-ion batteries? One key reason is supply security. With over 30 Chinese factories, including the major player CATL, gearing up to produce these batteries, the availability of sodium-ion technology appears to be on a solid path. This is essential for a manufacturer aiming to dominate the global electric vehicle market. Cost is another significant factor. Sodium-ion batteries are expected to be cheaper than lithium-ion batteries. Although lithium is relatively abundant, it faces supply challenges, especially in regions like South America and Asia where it is most concentrated. Sodium, however, is plentiful in the Earth's crust, which could lead to cheaper battery production and, eventually, more affordable cars for consumers. Tax credits also come into play. With increasingly strict regulations and the risk of losing credits due to reliance on foreign lithium, Tesla might view sodium-ion batteries as a strategic solution. This technology could reduce dependence on lithium and help secure tax credits, offering financial benefits to potential Tesla buyers. If Tesla adopts sodium-ion batteries, it is likely that more affordable models like the Model 2 will be the first to benefit. This development is promising for those looking forward to a more accessible Tesla, as lower production costs and reduced reliance on expensive materials could keep Model 2 prices down, supporting Tesla's goal of making electric vehicles more affordable. Sodium-ion batteries are not entirely new. Their development began in the 1970s, around the same time as other battery technologies. Lithium-ion batteries are well known, but they haven't always garnered as much attention due to challenges related to the storage capacity of sodium ions. For a long time, the storage capacity of sodium ions, particularly in positive electrode materials like graphite, was a major hurdle. The issue wasn't that the technology was inferior to lithium. The challenge was finding a suitable positive electrode material to fully harness the potential of sodium-ion batteries. However, recent technological advances have addressed these challenges, making sodium-ion batteries a serious and intriguing option for the future of electric vehicles. This development is more than just a technical innovation, it represents a potential revolution. With these recent innovations, sodium-ion batteries might be a solution to the growing demand for batteries, especially given the challenges in extracting and refining lithium, despite its abundance. Bloomberg projects that by 2035, sodium could reduce the demand for lithium by about 272,000 tons or even over 1 million tons if lithium supply cannot meet demand. This has significant implications for the market. More than 30 Chinese factories, including major players like CATL, are heavily investing in sodium-ion battery technology, dedicating time, resources, and active planning to this endeavor. This substantial investment raises questions about the reasons behind it and its potential impact on the global market. Meanwhile, electric vehicle manufacturers in the United States find themselves in a delicate position due to their heavy reliance on foreign lithium. Most electric vehicles produced in the US depend on foreign lithium sources, creating a concerning dependency. The risk of losing tax credits due to stricter regulations is a pressing issue. There's a real threat that electric vehicles might lose these valuable credits because of their reliance on foreign lithium, which is a concern for both manufacturers and consumers. This situation underscores the need for alternatives, leading the automotive industry to explore solutions that can reduce dependence on foreign lithium. Sodium-ion batteries emerge as a promising option in this context. Understanding this context highlights the importance of current decisions on the future of electric vehicles and their significant impacts on the automotive landscape and our daily lives. Tesla, for instance, may be considering sodium-ion batteries as a strategic move to navigate these challenges. This technology is seen as a means not only to remain competitive but also to spearhead innovation. As the United States aims for a wider transition to electric vehicles and a reduction in carbon emissions, ensuring a reliable and sustainable lithium supply becomes a strategic priority. Consequently, there have been several initiatives to reduce this dependency and enhance local lithium production. Both companies and the government are exploring ways to strengthen the infrastructure for lithium extraction and processing within the US, thereby decreasing the reliance on massive imports. While lithium remains a vital component, the quest for local sources and reduced import dependency is reshaping the landscape for a more sustainable future. As we conclude our examination of sodium-ion battery innovations, it is evident that we are on the verge of a revolution in the electric car market in 2024. The potential for Tesla to adopt these batteries is exciting, promising more affordable electric cars, more sustainable production, and a shift in lithium dependency dynamics. Sodium-ion batteries represent not just a technological advancement but a catalyst for broad transformation in the automotive sector. The idea of Tesla adopting sodium-ion batteries is both exciting and strategic. With many Chinese factories, including the renowned CATL, actively investing in sodium-ion batteries, the availability of this crucial component appears to be increasing. This is vital for Tesla, which aspires to lead the global electric vehicle market. Sodium-ion batteries are anticipated to be more accessible than lithium-ion batteries. Although lithium is traditionally considered abundant, it faces logistical and cost challenges due to the concentration of its reserves in specific regions. In contrast, sodium is abundantly available, potentially lowering battery production costs. The potential for Tesla to explore more affordable models, like the highly anticipated Model 2 with sodium-ion batteries, is particularly intriguing. Reduced production costs and less reliance on expensive materials align perfectly with Tesla's vision of making electric vehicles a viable option for a broader audience. Regarding environmental impact, the transition to sodium-ion batteries could mitigate some negative effects associated with lithium extraction and refinement, promoting more sustainable and eco-friendly electric vehicle production in line with global carbon reduction goals. Tesla's adoption of sodium-ion batteries is not just a technological shift but a strategy focused on sustainability, accessibility, and independence in the supply of essential materials. If this materializes, we could witness an exciting new chapter in the evolution of electric vehicles driven by Tesla's innovation. Stay tuned to our channel as we closely follow every step of this journey. Leave your comments on what you think about this battery advancement, and don't forget to subscribe for all the latest updates. Together, we are shaping the future of electric mobility. See you soon! In conclusion, the adoption of sodium-ion batteries represents a significant breakthrough in the electric vehicle market. As companies like Tesla consider this technology, we stand on the brink of more affordable and sustainable electric cars. Sodium-ion batteries promise to alleviate dependency on lithium, reduce production costs, and minimize environmental impact. This transition not only supports the broader goal of carbon reduction but also paves the way for greater accessibility and independence in the supply of essential materials. The ongoing advancements in battery technology signal a promising future for the automotive industry and the global push towards sustainable transportation. If you like Tesla videos, subscribe to the channel here so you don't miss any news.